So we're going to preview of what the next UX case study will look like. Now this will be a physical product that we will get to review. A huge shout out goes to Seed Studio, who sent us their AI Watcher to review. Now they've sent this for an honest review, so this will not be a sponsored video at all. So we don't know whether it'll be a good case study or a bad case study, or whether there'll be things that they could do to improve their product. So that'd be great for us to be able to analyze and look at a bit further, right? I'm looking forward to that. I hope you are too. We're going to break this down into 3 different types of videos or experiences. One, what the online shopping experience is like, what the unboxing experience is like, and then also what it's like to actually use the product and onboard onto the product. What kind of people or market or segment of people is this product really targeting? Is it targeting the regular person, such as the Humane IA pin, for example, or the Rabbit R1? Or is it looking at something else? Perhaps people who may be more tech savvy, developers, people who like to tinker around with technology. I guess we're going to find out. But a huge shout out again to Seed Studio for really wanting to participate in this UX case study. See you soon.